Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday trading strategies that we are going to discuss on our YouTube channel most of the time. And we created lot of candlesticks patterns that was working very perfect in our intraday trading as well as positional trading. Even our strategies, and that is a candlesticks pattern that is working more effectively in the live market, so that we are doing on our live session. We see some trades that was giving you such a great opportunity to make intraday positional profit. Let's say this is the blank chart or a plain chart of Hindalco, where what kind of candlesticks pattern which we discussed and what we know the candlesticks pattern earlier we discussed about our previous video. Based on that, how it became a profitable trade or how we can make a profitable trade using the simple candlesticks patterns. So that I'm going to discuss here. And if you are new, just subscribe my YouTube channel to get more updates. So let's see, this is the chart of Hindalco on daily basis, and today we have made some such a good amount in Hindalco. So that is what somewhere some good amount we made. Okay, I will discuss after some time. So but when I see this candlesticks pattern, how it going to be work in a live market? So that is the important thing which we are going to discuss here. And here can you able to see the previous low? Okay, so there is a point here. Wherever you take that, I'm always focusing to take the trade by whenever market in the bottom. So previously market in the top and it is moving down. So I'm going to find out such a reversal pattern at the lowest level using the candlesticks pattern. We already discussed about hammer candlesticks pattern that was forming in the lowest level of the market, and the next day also be a doji candle or a hammer candle. So there is such a great buying opportunity at the lowest level. When the market is broken that level, and you see that the result where it is from 370, it moves towards 470, somewhere around 100 points, where you are taking such a 13-14 point risk for the trade. Right, this is the candle hammer which forms at the bottom that we already disclosed that thing on our charting as well as our telegram. So after that the market moves higher, and again another candlesticks pattern which forms at this point. There is bullish harami. So if you check that previous high is 400, and within a 2 days market comes to 380 and it forms a harami candle. Once it is broken, again there is another trade opportunity on 396 towards 470. After that we are checking on the spinning top, but this is not happening at the highest level, but this was happening after the rally, the big rally from 420, and it is 470, somewhere 50 points in a single day it moved, and then we got such a great opportunity. Again we find out some shooting star kind of candle, two shooting star we find out here and here. So when I take the trade, so it may trigger my stop loss, right? So if I do, but after triggering my stop loss, market is getting lower. Hope you got it, how to manage that kind of errors and issues. So that is what important. So when I take a sell entry and the next day it was my stop loss. Again the shooting star triggers, and this time was my stop loss. Third time my shooting star triggers, never trigger my stop loss. Two times my stop loss got triggered, and the third time which got such a great profit. From somewhere 440, from 440 it is coming towards 400 nearby, somewhere around 40 rupees in profit, but it was triggering a 2 times 10 rupees stop loss. But even though if you are losing the stop loss, but finally you are going to get such a great profit, right? But how to avoid this thing, that is the thing which we are teaching on our lessons using option strategies or even a future hedging. So that we are discussing on our paid lessons. If anyone who ready to join my paid lessons, you are welcome and you are join with me. The number scrolling on the above this video, so you can WhatsApp with the same number to get more. Okay, after that, again any candlesticks, can you able to see that again the recent low, this is coming at this point, another spinning top kind of candle which forms here, and we got the buy opportunity around 415 with the stop loss nearby 400. So we are taking a 15 rupees risk. Now you check that the where is the market now, again near about 470. So this is what most powerful patterns in a candlestick chart that we are discussing on our video, and also we tell you how to do that. On this day I was telling about buy Hindalco on my live session. That time the market was 430, now it is 400. Instead of making intraday profit, if you are a focusing positional kind of trade, even you got a more chances to make such a great profit, right? And let's see, there is a candlesticks pattern. So anyone who know about the candlesticks pattern, this one again and a bullish candlesticks, what it is, inside out up, right? So that is bullish condition. This is what the level where I'm going to take a buy, but next day I didn't get an opportunity, but today I got this opportunity, right? Whenever we try to trade, so we need to be have any clue or information where I'm going to buy, and I need to know where I'm going to exit if this my position is goes wrong. So if you know the answers about these two questions, you can place your order anywhere, right? So that is the power of candlesticks pattern that gives you here the lowest level buy opportunity, and again here a breakout opportunity, here another sell opportunity. After two times your stop loss, but the third time it gives you such a great, and again market is reversed from here. When you say the market is looks like this, but we will find out the swing low, swing high to take a entry opportunity. That is what more uh, give you more confident when you do the trade. And I was doing such a trade. This trade was not done by me. One of my client, he done the trade, and he was making such a great profit of 15,000 rupees on Hindalco. So let's show you that. So this is the trade which we have taken. So here we are taken on options. So options, we know that the time value is our enemy, right? So we have to fight with the time value first. Okay, so that only to avoid the time value, we are maximum time, we are going to take ITM options that was giving you such a great benefit. So today we have taken that option by 35 and we sold around 42. The simple amount which we are getting, that is 15,000 rupees profit on the trade. So how much I have invested? This is what we booked as intraday, and after that, after the closing our position, it was ending with 45. So another 6,000 rupees it moves. So what is the margin and how that we are making such a good profit, and what we are taking the risk and reward, everything we are teaching on our paid lessons. So margin required and how much profit I'm getting from that trade. So I bought around 35 into 2, 150 is the lot. So 75,000 which I invested. So I'm making a 15,000, right? 15,000 which I made a profit. 75,000 is in my investment. Almost 20% we have made money from this single trade on intraday. But this is the positional turning point where it is at this point. So based on the candlestick, what it is exactly inside out up. When you memorize all the candlesticks pattern, you will easily find out where it is happening. So where we are going to, or when you see that the chart, you can directly tell me there is a point. And a few days back we are taken about Tech Mahindra. So on the highest level doji, this is the highest level doji where we are talking about 3-4 times about the stock, where 1450 as a sell entry and 1478, and recently yesterday itself it triggers our target, and today it comes down to 1400 level, near about 1406, almost somewhere around 43 points down. So we have taken a risk of 28 points. it is more than 1.1 is to 1.5 like risk reward ratio. So the simple candlesticks pattern that was giving you such a great opportunity to make money in intraday or even a strategy, that was working good. That is what important. So what we are doing, and few stocks which we have taken. The first one, Grasim. Let's see what happened in Grasim. 2 days back we have taken an opportunity 1467, and today 1500. It's almost to 40 plus point it reaches. And again today I think 1 hour chart that was giving you such a kind of pattern. So it is broken that 82. Now it is closed above 500. And Amar Raja batteries, that is looks good on daily. Yesterday we got by around 684 and today near about 700. Hope you got to understand what is the power of the candlesticks. And HDFC we are focusing for a sell. Still now we didn't get a sell opportunity. No issues. So we are taking a 3-4 stocks to take our trade. But someone not giving you opportunity, someone it triggers our stop loss. But final result what we are going to do. And Pfizer what we have done. And still it is in a range where we have entered. This one is a 5-minute spike. So that we teach you how to handle this. Alchem Laboratories, we are waiting for a sell opportunity. There is no opportunity at all. BPCL, we waited for a sell and it triggers the sell and it moves down to 68 and again it went up and then finally it closed down. And where you check that, again another spinning top of kind of candle which forms at the top, where we are checking with the candlesticks pattern. That's great. MGL, we are waiting for a sell. There is a no opportunity. This one we are taken for an intraday opportunity based on the candlesticks that was triggered on 2805, then it moves towards 2838. It never triggers our stop loss. 2 stop loss be given in the morning, right? And Grasim, sorry, Granules India, initially it gives you buy 1.5 rupees. We are taking a risk that was triggers our target 1:1. So when if you are using intraday trade, just follow with the 1:1 risk reward ratio. That will good enough. BEL, that is also we have seen somewhere and it is not working good because we say it right, but even though if it is initial sale entry and then buy entry, it moves the target. And this one Bharati Airtel, initially we are given a sale opportunity around 6.5 36.5 and it comes to 33 level, 32 point something, it made a low. Okay, so somewhere around 4 rupees more it down and then only it recovered very fast and it is moving higher and higher and higher. I hope this may be useful video to you all. Thanks for being with me and thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends if you like it.